Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get and install Windows 11 Insider Preview Update on your PC currently running Windows 10. Let's begin. Click on Start button. Go to Settings. Click on Update and Security. Here, click on Windows Insider Program. We need to join Windows Insider Program to get Windows 11 update. Click on Get Started. Here, we need to link our Microsoft account. After that, we are going to pick Insider Settings. Select the recommended options. Click on Confirm. Again, confirm it and restart your PC. After restarting, go to Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. If we have not got Windows 11 update, like me, then we need to change Windows Inside Program channel. Go to Windows Inside Program. Click here. Then pick Dev channel. After that, click on back arrow icon. We can see here, it has been changed to Dev channel. Now, go back to Windows Update. And again, click on Check for updates. Now, we have got Windows 11 update and downloading has started. It has been completed. Now, it is getting ready to update the Windows. It is now installing the Windows 11. Restart your PC. It will take around 2 hours. And it will restart several times in between. Now, Windows 10 has been updated to Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching our video. Give us a like if you like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.